Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be making sweet and spicy chicken wings. So in a pan you add vegetable oil and then you add your washed chicken wings. The recipe is going to be in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Add in soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then give this a good mix. Add some thyme, some curry. Add in some garlic powder, paprika, onions and scotch bonnet pepper according to your spice tolerance. Add in some basil and you're going to leave this to cook for about 20 minutes on low heat. Add some sweet chili sauce and you're gonna add some honey. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye, I'll see you in my next video.